aloha nui kako. This is Mahina. 2 minute.
March 31st is lā'au, the 19th po of our current malama nana. Lā'au is the second of the lā'au phases and used traditionally to prepare medicine. Today we are preparing Nīoi. Nīoi is chili pepper water made with Hawaiian chilies called Nīoi, which are sweeter than other chilies. Some mo'olelo say that Nīoi was brought by Portuguese settlers around 1815. Hawaiians were quick to recognize the medicinal value of Nīoi and used it for healing, as well as a flavoring for their food. Drink Nīoi straight or add it to tea or fruit juice to help with the pain of arthritis and rheumatism. Nīoi is also a stimulant, so it can also help to relieve constipation, or pour it directly on minor cuts to help stop bleeding. First, sterilize your bottles and covers in boiling water for at least 10 minutes. Rinse Nīoi thoroughly, remove any leaves and debris, and cut off and discard the stems. The basic ingredients are water, vinegar, Nīoi, some Nīoi pulp, garlic, and pa'akai or Hawaiian salt. Today we are also adding sake and some limu or seaweed. To prepare the limu, first rinse and remove any debris, then place in boiling water for 1 to 2 minutes until the color changes from brown to bright green. Immediately plunge the blanched limu into a bowl of ice water to stop the cooking and keep it nice and crunchy. Bring a separate pot of water to boil and add your ingredients: Nīoi pulp, garlic, pa'akai or Hawaiian salt, 1 part vinegar for every 4 parts water. Add sake, cover, bring to a boil, turn the heat down, simmer for 5 minutes, and let cool. Strain the cooled liquid into a separate bowl, separating the Nīoi and garlic from the Nīoi liquid. Layer limu, garlic, and Nīoi into your sterilized bottles, fill with the Nīoi liquid, and cover. Each time you take a drink or use Nīoi to flavor your food, be sure to take a pair of chopsticks and grab a bite of limu for a nice crunchy treat. A bottle of Nīoi is a wonderful gift for ohana and friends and to keep on hand in your own home as well.
Until the next Mahina minute, e ola na ohana.